built a house out of straws, and the big bad wolf was coming, and he blew it down, and the big bad wolf was coming, and he puff and puff, puff and puff, puff and puff, puff and puff, and blowed it down.
Okay.
Next little pig built his house out of sticks, and the big bad wolf was coming again, and he puff and puff, puff and puff, puff and puff, puff and puff, and blowed it down.
Wow.
Can we take a picture of it?
Well, what about the third house? The third little piggy.
Third little pig built his house out of pictures. He needed a door, roof, and some bricks to make your brick house.
That's right. Then what happened?
I don't know.
Could the big bad wolf blow the third house down?
No.
Did he try?
No. He didn't.
He didn't. Because it was made of brick.
Yeah. Big bad wolf wasn't coming again. Can you take a picture of it, please?
Say thank you. See you later.
Thank you. See you later.